If popular tools like Asana and Trello are slowing your team down with user limits and feature restrictions, stick around, because today we're unpacking some of the top free project management platforms that let you unleash your productivity without the price tag. Whether you're running a small business, building a startup, or handling multiple freelance clients, these options guarantee flexibility, robust features, and zero per-user costs. Take Wrike, for example. Its free plan combines list, board, and spreadsheet-style views, perfect for fast-paced teams that want versatile collaboration without the clutter. Meanwhile, Nifty brings powerful chat and workflow features together with simple dashboards, no nagging upgrade prompts or hidden fees to distract your focus. Craving unlimited users and deeply customizable views? ClickUp is your best bet. Its free tier lets your entire team organize work using boards, lists, automations, and integrations, making it one of the most comprehensive no-cost solutions out there. Placky is another standout. Manage as many users and projects as you need, and enjoy clean Kanban boards and task lists that keep everyone aligned. It's fast, intuitive, and doesn't paywall core features. For the open-source-minded, Focal Board is an excellent self-hosted alternative. Take total ownership of your project data and enjoy flexible Kanban and table layouts tailored to teams that like total control. If cloud simplicity with task dependencies and time tracking is more your style, Zoho Projects gives small teams impressive features for free, though note the 3-user cap on its no-cost plan. And don't overlook Freedcamp, which offers unlimited projects, users, and even document storage with a light cap, making it a fantastic fit for teams that simply need a reliable, unlimited hub for collaboration. Which one fits your workflow best? If you want limitless users and deep task management, ClickUp and Placky are top contenders. For absolute control and privacy, try Focal Board. For classic simplicity at scale, Freedcamp or Wrike might be just right. Try out these platforms and discover which one empowers your projects the most. Don't forget to share your favorite PM tool in the comments. In the following video, I'll share free alternatives to your costly software subscriptions. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.